Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin inside the Google Pay app. Open it and make sure you're signed into the account that added the gift card. Once in, go straight to Payments or Passes. This is where stored gift cards appear. Tap the specific gift card to open its detail view. You're not done yet. The card's visual is visible, but the full number may be hidden for security. Stay on the screen and prepare to reveal more details using the next steps. Once the gift card's detail view is open, find and tap View Details or the small eye icon. That's the control that reveals sensitive data. Google Pay will require authentication. Use your fingerprint, PIN, or device unlock to confirm it's you. After authentication, the full gift card number, PIN if present, and expiration will display on the screen. Make sure to copy or transcribe the number exactly as shown. After you have the number visible, copy it into a secure note or take an authorized photo for later use. Store it encrypted or in your password manager. If the number remains hidden, make sure the gift card was actually saved as a pass and that Google Pay is updated. Some issuers block full number display. If authentication repeatedly fails, restart the app, check device security settings, and contact Google Pay support or the card issuer for help resolving access issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.